Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop auto download photos and videos in WhatsApp. Firstly guys, you need to make sure that you have launched the application and then just go on your three dots on your right upper side and then select the settings side. After that guys, you need to go and select the fourth selection, the storage and data. Click on it, and here as you can see down below on the media auto downloaded on when using mobile data, when you click on it, and now when your mobile data is turned on, if you go and unselect this photo, now it will be stopped auto download photos, in which also will include and videos in which will be related for using mobile data. Go now, okay, and what you need to do if you want to get up through your Wi-Fi, you need to go again on the second selection when connected on Wi-Fi. Click on it. Now go and deselect the photos and videos. Go okay, and that's it guys. Now with this you have stopped auto download photos and videos in WhatsApp. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.